Good afternoon, everybody. Hey, look, let's straighten this right out, right here. If I was to build a 427 Windsor for my car, this is exactly how I build it. It's got the Holley FSI system on here, multi-port fuel injection with a high ram. What a fabulous piece. And Steve came up with this idea a few years back about putting the coil packs on top of the valve covers. Boy, do people love them. And I'll tell you what a cool ass look. All black pulley kit on here. We got a dark block, steel crank, forged pistons, all filed rings. We got the Canton oil pan. This is one kick-ass motor. Numbers, 618 horse on a 575 build, and it made about 610 foot-pounds of torque. And I'll tell you something, like I said, if I was to build a 427 Windsor, this is the way it would be. Hey, check us out. We are one badass engine company. Peace. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Beautiful oil pressure, AFRs are right where we want them. Idling really nice. This is gonna thump in that car real nice. Let's give it a run.